Unlock a new dimension of cooking convenience and versatility with the Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer. This remarkable kitchen companion redefines the way you approach weeknight meals, offering an array of features that combine innovation, precision, and simplicity. With its user-friendly design, captivating front window, and unparalleled cooking capabilities, this air fryer is poised to revolutionize your culinary journey. Imagine being able to witness the culinary magic unfold before your eyes. The Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer introduces a game-changing element, a convenient easy view window that lets you watch as your food transforms into crispy perfection. Say goodbye to culinary guesswork and hello to a visual spectacle that engages your senses and elevates your cooking experience. Here are the key features of Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer 5QT. Seamless control at your fingertips. Embrace the art of effortless cooking with the intuitive digital control of the Chefman TurboTouch Air Fryer. The days of complex settings and elaborate preparations are behind you. With just a touch, you can select your desired preset, program cooking time and temperature, and embark on your culinary journey in a matter of seconds. But that's not all. Stay on top of your cooking game with the built-in LED reminder that signals the perfect moment to give your dish a shake for even cooking. Unleash culinary creativity for the whole family, whether you're catering to a family dinner or an intimate gathering. The Chefman TurboTouch Air Fryer strikes the perfect balance between compact convenience and family-sized capacity. Its 5-quart basket allows you to explore a wide array of dishes, from comfort food classics to mouth-watering creations that delight the entire family. Expand your culinary horizons without sacrificing precious countertop space. Effortless cleanup for effortless cooking. Indulge in the joy of cooking without the burden of cleanup. The TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer marries powerful cooking prowess with impeccable presentation. The sleek matte black exterior adds an elegant touch to your kitchen while remaining remarkably simple to maintain. When your gastronomic masterpiece is complete, a quick wipe with a damp cloth suffices. And with dishwasher-safe accessories and a non-stick basket, the aftermath of your culinary exploits is a breeze to tackle. Invest in quality, invest in confidence. At Chefman, your satisfaction is paramount. The TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer is a testament to our commitment to excellence. With settle approval and advanced safety technology, this appliance guarantees lasting durability and performance. And to provide you with added peace of mind, Chefman offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring that your investment is protected and worry-free. In a world brimming with culinary possibilities, the Chefman TurboTouch Easy View Air Fryer stands as your trusted ally. From its innovative design to its culinary prowess, this appliance empowers you to create meals that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. Elevate your cooking game, embrace healthier frying, and embark on a journey of culinary exploration that will leave your taste buds craving for more.